All right, let's get started with our first practice problem. We have zinc reacting with hydrochloric acid. So this is a single replacement or single displacement, you can call them either one, type of reaction. And so what we want to look at here is, will zinc, this is our neutral metal, replace hydrogen, the cation, in the compound? And we know that it will because zinc is higher on the activity series than hydrogen, meaning it is more reactive, and so it's more likely to end up in that stable ionized state. So what we need to do is switch zinc with hydrogen. So when we do that, we now have zinc bound with chlorine plus hydrogen. So there's a couple things that we need to do. We need to look at the formula that zinc and chlorine make. So if we check our periodic tables, we've labeled these already. We know that chlorine is in that column where most of those make a -1 charge when they're in their ion form. And zinc we should have written down generally, or usually always, has a +2 charge. If we use our crisscross method that we learned a while back, this 2, just the 2, comes down here. The 1 comes down here, so our compound is really zinc chloride. And then when we look back at hydrogen, we know that hydrogen is one of those special gases on the periodic table, and it is diatomic, which means that it always comes in pairs naturally. So we need to make sure this has a 2. So remember, the reason why this is diatomic is in nature it's found in a pair. Hydrogen generally or neutrally has 1 electron, and so if they are paired, they're able to share that 1 electron with the other hydrogen in order to get 2, which gives it that stable configuration. All right, now back to the reaction. We notice that on this side we have a zinc metal. We also have a zinc metal on this side. We've got 1 hydrogen on this side, however on this side we have 2, which means we need to do some balancing in order to conserve our mass. So we're going to put a 2 out front of the hydrochloric. So what this does is it gives me 2 hydrogen. Now I also have 2 chlorine. If I check the other side of the reaction, the product side, I'll notice that I also have 2 chlorine. So I am completely balanced.